Hey, it's me. This is my first video of Legos. This stuff you're gonna need. You're gonna need two of this. There's one of this with this part on the back to put something on. Put this. You put one of them right here. You get the other one. Put it in the front. Then you get this and stick the big part in the back. Then you get this. Just one of them. One of this. You stick in here. If you want, you can twist this part to make the handle go out. You can make it look like that. If you want to go like a to shoot off like this part, you can just stick it like that. And if you have a logo, a Star Wars character, I don't have one anymore because it broke. You can just make it look like that. Bye bye. Wait. Peace out, yo.